I'm Renald McQueen and this is my bike. I'm currently riding a BSD Trail Or Park frame, 21.1 inch top tube, 74.5 inch steering angle, 13.25 back end. It's red. Red BSD 2 loose bars, they're 8-inch bar with lots of sweep, feel quite nice. BSD race stem and red ghetto forks. I got an Odyssey lever, just original gyro cables, snafu Mobius gyro and fly brakes. We got strictly bitch cranks, BSD sprocket, BSD wing seat and fly plastic pedals. I got BSD hubs, G-Sport rims, the BSD hub guards and fly tyres and fly aluminium pegs. I'm Renald McQueen, that was my bike. Just thanks to BSD strictly and primary for all the help.